Halo teman-teman, assalamualaikum. Hari ini Gavin mau pergi ke
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah.
Jadi naik apa?
11,
Sebelum pulang Gavin mainan dulu. Gavin selesai nimbang. Gavin mewarnai di tempat posyandu. Di tempat posyandunya ada fasilitas buku bacaan, ada Lego, ada pensil warna-warni. Dadah. Nah, sudah selesai nih teman-teman. Gavin ke posyandunya untuk nimbang dan tinggi badannya. Ternyata timbangan Gavin naik dan panjangnya juga naik, teman-teman. Yuk, sekarang kita pulang. Gavin sudah sampai rumah lagi nih teman-teman. Gavin sudah selesai nimbang sama ngukur tinggi badannya ya Vin ya. Gavin dapat apa di posyandu? Nih, Gavin dikasih ini bendera Angry Bird dan snacknya dapat puding buah teman-teman. Asik ya. Udah ditimbang, ukur tinggi badan, dapat snack dan bendera ya Vin ya. Nah, sekian ya teman-teman video dari Gavin. Tunggu video Gavin selanjutnya ya teman-teman.